Staten Island remains buried in snow after a blizzard, with up to 29 inches reported. Narrow streets hinder plow crews, leaving residents unable to reach work or school. Borough attendance collapsed Tuesday, with under 20% of Staten Island students in class, far below citywide 62%. The Department of Education logged about 12,000 sick calls and could only replace 5,000 with substitutes. Mayor Mamdani boosted snow-clearing resources and argued schools provide meals, mental health support, and childcare. Teachers warn against treating schools as daycare. DSNY says Staten Island's large storm plan normally deploys 290 workers. The storm had 500 clearing yesterday and 710 total on night and day shifts, roughly 2.5 times the norm. Officials seek priority snow removal along Forest Avenue for the St. Patrick's Parade. City services, trash pickup resumes 6 p.m., the recycling next Monday, alternate side parking suspended, libraries open. Dozens of trees were felled citywide, with over 700 reports.